Okay, I'm going to show you an example of factoring a quadratic trinomial where a is not equal to 1 with a series of steps. The previous video on this topic showed you how to do this, but the difference between these two examples is this one has a common factor of 10, where the other one had no common factor. So when there is a common factor, it's actually, for me at least, a lot simpler to put the expression in factored form. So the steps are mostly the same. The first thing you're going to look for is to see if it has a common factor, and this one does. It has a common factor of 10. So I'm going to divide by 10, because that's the common factor in each term. So that means 10 divided by 10 is 1, so we have x squared. 20 divided by 10 is 2. 2. And 30, 2x. And then 30 divided by 10 is 3. Okay, so when there isn't a common factor, the next step is to multiply a and c. But a is just 1, so don't have to do it, because it's still going to be 3. So now you find the factors of 3 that add together to equal negative 2, or the factors of negative 3 that add together to equal negative 2. And remember that it's negative 3, so one number is going to be negative, one's going to be positive, and it's negative 2, so the larger term is going to be negative. So we have 1 and negative 3. Oh, it doesn't look like 3. 1 and negative 3 are the factors that add together to equal negative 2. So now we're just going to put in factored form. So we have x plus 1 is positive, and then x minus 3 because it's negative. Okay, and we're not done yet though, because remember our first step, we had this common factor, and our factored form is going to equal the exact same thing as the original trinomial. So we have to make sure that we include the common factor that we took off in the beginning, otherwise it will not be correct. So you multiply the whole thing by 10, because in the beginning we divided it by 10. Okay, that's it. The final answer is 10 times x plus 1 times x minus 3.